Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Embroidery Hub. It is March and I am super excited for March Madness. And for that reason, I am embroidering stadium seat covers for you guys. Before we move on with the tutorial, I want you guys to please like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. You guys helped us get to 30,000 subscribers, so thank you so much from the bottom of our hearts. So I have been seeing a lot of these projects lately and I thought I want to give it a shot for myself and show you guys how I did it. So I went ahead and picked up a stadium seat cover at Sandmar, and these are actually surprisingly affordable. I believe it was under $10 for one of these, and you can definitely resell these for a pretty penny. All right, without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and jump into the materials for this project. Now, I have been seeing a lot of stadium seat covers. I think it is such a great idea, especially for this basketball season, right? So I got a Ricoma basketball design digitized, and I'm really excited to stitch it out on this stadium seat cover. I have been wondering how it is that people embroider on the stadium seat cover. I thought that they were actually embroidering, on the seat. So I was like, while that's possible, it seems like it's gonna be pretty tough and it might break needles. However, I did some research, I went on Sandmar, and I was able to find this stadium seat that is perfect for machine embroidery because look at this, it has a zipper. So you can actually unzip it and insert it into the machine as such. And I'll show you guys that in a little bit, but that is super, super convenient. And the stadium seat was actually pretty inexpensive. I believe it was under $10. I'm gonna go back and check on the price and add that to the video edits. But this is something that you can easily sell for a pretty penny. So I'm excited to show you guys how you can flip one of these. As far as backing, I'm just gonna go ahead and use one sheet of cutaway stabilizer. Even though this is something that I don't wear and wash frequently, and that's not necessarily stretchy, like this garment has no actual stretch, this is something that has high stitch count. So for that reason, I'm gonna go ahead and use cutaway because this is the most stable piece of stabilizer. So always keep stitch count in mind when you are choosing backing. Remember, if you're embroidering something highly detailed, even if it's an accessory, go with cutaway. And of course, I have my mighty and handy dandy mighty hoops, 11 by 13 size, which is perfect. As far as thread, I'm using regular 100% polyester 40 weight thread, and I'm using my standard 7511 sharp point needles. I don't know, man, I'm just gonna go in with the flowsies. Alrighty. Okay. Alrighty, so this looks great. I'm gonna go ahead and take it out and unhoop it and see the final product. Love it! Ooh, 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 ooh. Well, that's how we can do that. We could end the thing with a swish. All right, so the back of this seat cover looks amazing. I can't wait to be able to sit in it. I'm ready to pack it up and take it with me to the basketball game. All right, but for real, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, have any other questions about how we embroidered this design, please let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to join our Facebook group, Embroidering Custom Apparel Mastery. Like always, I went ahead and linked it below. Thanks again for watching, guys, and we will see you back in the next episode.